Rappers don't know to me, the people who don't stay. Let them take my heart like it's something they could play. Every time I opened up, they walked the other way. Now I'm keeping all my pieces locked inside a safe. I've been healing slow, but I'm healing right. Build myself from ashes in the dead of night. If I don't trust nobody, that's my right. I learned the hard way what it costs to be polite. No more saving people who don't wanna be saved. No more breaking just so someone else feels brave. This time I'm choosing me and I won't cave. My heart ain't anybody's place to misbehave. It's my heart, my season. No more begging for a reason. If you left, I'm glad you're leaving. Now I'm done with all the bleeding. It's my breath, my freedom. I don't know nobody feelings. Used to love with no limits. Now I'm keeping all my secrets. Here's my heart, my season. Yeah. I don't chase ghosts, I don't chase lies. I don't chase people who can't look me in the eyes. Paid enough pain as the entry price. Now I love myself like I never did in life. They call me cold, but they turn me ice. Taught me how to cut the cord in a single slice. Now I'm not sorry, I don't apologize. I protect my peace like it's paradise. No more giving fire to someone who brings rain. No more stitching wounds just to tear again. If loving me scares you, stay out of my lane. I'm done repeating chapters that end in pain. It's my heart, my season. No more begging for her peace. If you left, I'm glad you're leaving. Now I'm done with all the bleeding. It's my breath, my freedom. Now no more my body feels. Still love with it, no limits. Now I'm keeping all my secrets. It's my heart, I found peace where no one stayed. I found strength in my own shade. Every scar that I once hated built the man I finally made. No more waiting, no more chasing. No more hearts that keep me aching. I'm the storm and I'm the heaven. This time I'm the one we're saving. It's my heart, my season. No more losses, no more treason. I don't break for any reason. Now my soul is what I'm guarding. It's my breath, my freedom. I'm the truth and I believe in every part of me that's healing. This is fine.